Hello everyone, I'm your host Dalvinder Kaur at Lovely Professional University. Welcome to today's webinar. Get ready to dive into today's topic, that is unveiling the power of AI. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a journey of discovery and learning. Let's dive in. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Ashok Kumar, Professor and Head School of Computer Application LPU. Dr. Ashok Kumar is currently working as professor in LPU. He is PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from Thapar University. He did MTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Punjabi University, Patiala. He has 20 plus years of teaching and research experience. He has filed 20 patents. Out of that, 3 patents have been granted. He has published several research articles in international journals and conferences of repute. His current area of research interest include cloud, fog, edge computing, and machine learning. Further, he is supervising 4 PhD scholars and 2 ME students. So I would like to introduce the admission nominee here in this webinar, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi, Associate Professor in the field of Mechanical Engineering with over 20 years of teaching experience. His vast knowledge and expertise will surely pave the path for attendees, offering valuable information on a wide range of research opportunities, internships, and study abroad program in the field of sciences. And I would also like to introduce Ms. Khushbu Datwani from IBM. She is having proficiency in languages like C, C++, Java, JEE, J2ME, TMI, DAS, data sciences, and many more. She is having experience of 10 years, 5 months of growth initiative leader. Now, I hand over the things to Dr. Ashok Kumar, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from him. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for such a nice introduction.
Thank you.
Thanks to the members who are there in the session. For the next 20 to 25 minutes, we will be discussing on the topic unveiling the power of artificial intelligence. How the artificial intelligence is changing our day-to-day life. We will be discussing about that. We will basically focus on 2 things. We'll try to understand what AI is actually in brief. And then after, we will discuss about the applications of artificial intelligence in various fields. First, what is AI? So artificial intelligence is basically simulating human intelligence in machines. So the aim is the machine should think and behave like humans. It should learn like human can learn. For examples, human can learn from listening to other people's, watching the things. So like that, the machine should also learn and think. AI is a cutting edge technology, and as I have already briefed to you, it enables machines to act like humans. So what are the various applications, which tools are used for making the machines think? We will be discussing in the coming slides. So first, we are going to discuss about the applications of AI in various fields. First, I am taking the example of applications of AI in education. So in education, the first thing where the AI is helping is the personalized learning. So what does this mean? According to the performance of the students, the machine can adjust the contents that it is giving to the student to evaluate or to practice, we can say. There are two such AI based platforms or tools, we can say. One is Dreambox, other is Newton. So these two tools basically identify the weaknesses of the students, strength of the students, and then adapt itself to give questions to the students related to their weaknesses, related to their strength. So this is basically, we can say, has the capability to replace the physical tutor. Another example of AI or application of AI is intelligent tutoring systems. So what this does, this intelligent tutoring system basically interacts with the students and provides them personalized tutoring. There is one AI tool for that, that is Carnegie Learning Cognitive Tutorial. What this does, it gives instructions to the students and take student response and performances. It also provides feedback to the students. Another Another tool that is there is developed by IBM, that is Watson Tutor, and this tool employs AI and natural language processing to answer questions of the students. The student can ask questions to the Watson Tutor, and the Watson Tutor provides the explanation, simulation of the any working model to the students to help them learn better. Another AI tool that is there in education is the student support and counseling. So see, as you all know, the students have different kinds of queries. Like if you want to appear in a competitive exams, you need counseling, students need guidance, students need support. So this AI chatbot and virtual assistants provide all these things. It provides support to the students, it provides counseling, it provides guidance to the students. One such tool that is there is the Ponch chatbot. It is developed by Georgia State University, and it helps the students in registration process, in financial aid inquiries, in academic advising, and that too in the native language of the students. And this tool also responds to the students' questions in real time. So whenever the student will ask the question to it, it will be answering or responding to the student at the same time, or we can say in real time. Another another AI powered tool is VBot, and this basically tool provides the counseling to the students, or we can say it offers to the student the therapy techniques for the students who are suffering from stress, anxiety, or depression. So whenever student feel that he is feeling depressed or he is a little bit anxious about the certain things, he or she can take the help of the AI powered mental health chatbot, that is WeChat. So in this way, these tools are helping the students in learning as well as in keeping them motivated all the times. There are humanoid robots. Now humanoid robots, I hope you all know, humanoid robots are the robots which look like human, which are built and given the shape of the human being. So many humanoid robots are there nowadays, and two such popular humanoid robots that are there and used in the education are the Neo and Pepper. So these robots basically interact with the student through speech recognition. So the student can speak out what he want to ask from these robots. The robots will identify what the student is basically trying to know from them, and then based on the knowledge that is there with the robots, they give the answer to the students. Even these robots can use facial recognition also. So just like human being can uh, can visualize or can what you can say uh, observe from the face reading of the person. Similarly, these two tools, after reading the face, after taking the image of the faces of the candidates, they can recognize what you are thinking about, and based on that it gives the solution or response to the human being. These robots uses natural language processing. So natural language processing means if you ask them questions, uh, by speaking out the questions, they basically processing it, dividing it into the words, and then recognizing what is the meaning of those group of words. So that technique, through which you can identify what the human being is saying, the machine can identify what the human is saying, that is through the natural language processing. And through the natural language processing, then it provides the personalized tutoring to the students. It provides assistance or feedback. So you can ask the questions related to the various languages or subjects, I would say, like mathematics, or you can ask these humanoid robots any coding related questions, like build build a code, a piece of code to identify from an image the persons who are laughing, right? So these kind of uh, codes these robots can provide to the human beings. Now, so next is the application of AI in agriculture. So as you all know that in India, or I would say across the globe, a lot of food goes wasted due to certain environmental effects, maybe due to raining or due to weather, some other critical weather conditions. So these precision farming AI tools helps us in many ways to improve the productivity, to improve the yield. So how AI help? So what what this technology do is it capture the image of the farm from the top through the help of a drone. So I know I am assuming that you all know about the drones. Nowadays, these are being used in marriages also to capture the videos from the top. So these are the devices which can fly. So other is the technique is the satellite imagery, where the satellite take the picture of the fields from the top, and through using some IoT sensors. IoT is Internet of Things. Sensors, most of you know, because these sensors are available in mobile devices also. Like temperature sensor is there, with which you can check the temperature, or some other sensors are also there. So with the help of IoT sensors, it collect the various data related to soil condition, what is the moisture level of the soil, what other nutrients levels the soil has, the weather pattern, the crop health, and the pest infestations. So as we all know that from time to time the pests also damage our yields. So how we can determine that now the pest has has started affecting the yield, that we can do with the help of the the AI. We take the images of the field and then try to analyze those images with the help of machine learning algorithms. So algorithms are basically in computer field, these are step by step procedures to perform any task. So machine learning algorithms are the special type of algorithms which helps to train the machine. So many algorithms are there that we offer in our curriculum, like K-means, K-medoid, SVM, and many more are there. These algorithms are used to train the machine. Now, with the help of these algorithms and using the images of the fields, you can what you can do is you can do the precision irrigation, the first. The second is variable rate fertilization. So variable rate fertilization means some part of the field may be requiring a different amount of fertilizer, some other part of the field may be requiring some different amount of fertilizers. So variable rate fertilization that can also be predicted with the help of the images. Then the targeted pesticide application. So what we do through this is we apply some pesticides to kill the pests. So where those pesticides should be applied and in how much amount these should be applied, then these can be checked through AI. So AI helps us that this much amount of pesticides are required on the particular area of the field. So with the help of these, we can basically save the resources, we can save pesticides, we can therefore improve the productivity or yield produce also, and consequently we can reduce the impact of these pesticides on environment. So that is another application of AI. Then is crop monitoring and management. So with the help of AI, we can monitor the crop and manage it. Monitoring means you keep on observing the growth of the crop in order to detect diseases, assess plant health. So we can detect the or assess the or determine the health of the plant through computer vision. So what is computer vision? It is the basically a branch where we take the image of the plant, and from the plant leaves we can detect with the help of AI whether it is suffering from any disease or not. You might be aware of that these days, by capturing the image of the eyes with the iris information, even we can detect disease in humans also, whether a person is suffering from diabetes or not, that we can check from his iris information. So some other techniques technologies are there, and these are like some companies like Terranis and Blue River. These two uses the AI driven recognition algorithm to identify weeds, to identify pests and nutrient deficiencies in crops. So what they use is they use the images, and based on the pattern of the images, based on their color, based on their texture, the diseases in the plants are detected, pests are detected, and therefore using the AI we can enable the farmers to prevent yield loss in case of attacks by the pests. And there are some platforms like Prospera and Arable Deploy. These two, Arable and Prospera, these deploy IT sensors and uses AI analytics. So some AI techniques these use to monitor environmental factors. So these basically uh, uses temperature, humidity, soil moisture to optimize the crop management decisions, like when the irrigation is required, when the watering to the plants is required, right? And when the pesticide spray is required. So these kind of things can be efficiently managed through the use of the AI. Another important application is predictive analytics and forecasting. So with this, what we do is we use the historical data, previous data, weather forecast. You all know about this, that with the help of Google, you can check whether the coming Sunday it will be raining or not, right? So when the sun will rise and when it will set. So from the previous data, with the help of AI algorithms, you can forecast, you can predict weather, you can even predict the market trends also, you can predict the uh, crop yield, you can predict uh, pest outbreak, or even you can predict the commodity prices also, right? So with the help of predictive analytics and forecasting, this helps us to uh, predict the weather, and eventually this can help us to predict the yield of the farmer. So like other some other platforms are there, uh, granular is there, then climate field view is there. These two also uses AI to provide insights about the planting dates, when a particular plant should be sowed or when its seed should be sowed, then crop rotation, when the farmer should sow one field, one kind of crop, and at what time, and then after another crop, and at what time that particular crop should be used. And some other input management strategies can also be used by the farmers to improve their growth or improve their profit. Now, some autonomous farming equipments are there which can help the farmers, uh, like some kind of robots are there which can basically help in labor intensive tasks to the farmer, which the farmer need to do themselves or through the labor that they employ from time to time, such as planting or harvesting or weeding, right? So some kind of robots are developed by the companies, one John Deere and Agrobot. These developed the AI agricultural robots, and these robots are equipped with various kind of IoT sensors. These are equipped with cameras. These are equipped with some artificial intelligence based algorithms. So these algorithms can identify the weeds, these can identify the crops, and if they want to remove the weed from the crop, first they uses the image processing and identify the weeds and then remove these weeds from the feeds. So these kind of tasks can also be handled. So one robot is there that is helpful in agriculture, that is Sakura one. This is agriculture robot and it is developed by India. So these basically this robot help the farmers in seeding, weeding, spraying, pesticides, uh, applying pesticides on the fields. Now one more application that is there is medical imaging. So through this medical imaging, one can identify the disease in the human beings also, from the x-rays, from the MIR scans, and from CT scans, and that basically help the doctors, radiologists to detect the anomalies in the patients, and based on detected diseases, the patient can be given the medications for their better health. So that is another benefit of the AI. Then another benefit is there, that is remote patient monitoring. The patient can be remotely monitored. The patient is at its home and the doctor is monitoring the health of the patient from the hospital. So in this case, the patient is basically wear some sensors, some wearable devices, and from those wearable devices, the heart rate, blood pressure, glucose level, or other vitals of the patients through the internet at the doctor location, and doctor, after analyzing the vitals of the patient, can give the medications or can suggest the prescriptions to the patient remotely. Then telemedicine and virtual health assistants are there. So some chatbots and virtual nurses are there. Those can give the personalized health advice to the patients for their better health. These virtual assistants improve the health services, enhance patient engagement, and these basically help the patient in managing their conditions or monitoring their conditions and accordingly suggesting them the different kind of medications for their better health. So some other applications are also there. Due to the shortage of time, I have covered only few applications of AI. Some applications are there in healthcare, some are there uh, in military services also. You can name any field, the AI application will be there in that field. So what we do is, through these AI tools, we can help the human beings. So these tools can be developed through different languages, computer languages, like we can use Python, we can use Java, or some other, we can use R also. Some other tools are also available which can help learn the machine and act according to the program that is fed into it. So we are running various programs at Lovely Professional University. One is the uh, MCA, Master of Computer Application with AI ML, that we are running in tie-up with the IBM. And another program we have just starting from this session, that is Bachelor of Computer Application, and that too in AI and ML. We are already running BCA with the IBM, and some of the courses that are there in the program, these courses are taught by the IBM persons which are working there in the IBM. Now we have with us a faculty from the IBM, and she will guide you further, but what kind of benefits the students get if they take admission in these programs. So Khushbu ma'am, welcome you ma'am. Please guide the participants that how the students get benefited from the programs that the School of Computer Application is running in tie-up with the IBM.
Okay. Sure, sir. So I would request if I could share my screen. I hope I'm audible and loud.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, I just want sir to stop sharing the screen so that I can share my screen. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, you can show your screen now.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Just
Yes, ma'am.
I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, so as so thank you so much for telling about artificial intelligence and machine learning to the participants and the students. So when it comes to the collaboration and the benefits of the program, yes, we are collaborated with Edu Lovely Professional University with NCA like School of Computer Application, wherein we have a collaboration with PCA, NCA, BTech, and as well as MBA. So when it comes for the benefit, like how you will get the benefit through this program, yes, the good part is you would be getting the access of IBM software labs. Not only that, that you will be able to access in the campus, but as well as we will be giving you a portal called as Academic Initiative, wherein you just need to put your domain IDs. So once you will be enrolled in the program in MCA department, you will get a domain IDs, and in that domain IDs, you will be able to access the softwares which will be assigned to you all by the IBM. That means those will be the premium softwares. Next, the good part again, the good thing is not only the faculty will be guiding you from LPU, you would be getting the guidance through the IBM expert. Subject matter expert will be there in the entire semester, and you would be getting the guidance how you are going to work with the projects, how you should learn, how you should start your career, or what is the learning path, for the entire semester or the entire, the career you would be thinking of. Now, the industry aligned curriculum would be providing by us only to the department, so that based on that, you would start getting the subject in each semester. That means, let's say if you have 5 subjects, one subject, 2 subjects will be given by IBM, so that you will get that hands-on, that exposure through our subject matter expert. Not only this, you would be getting a chance to participate hackathons, datathons. There are multiple competition we align for the students, and they would be able to, even we are conducting these sessions, and you will be able to participate into it. As I already conveyed you, that there will be in each semester there will be a subject which is given by the IBM. So there are 2 subjects. I will be showing you the subjects as well. Another thing, not only this, you will be getting the IBM certificate, which can be uploaded over any of the social media portal. Those certifications and certificates are, entirely globally valid, because when it comes to a logo of IBM, and when you're posting it over your social media, definitely it will, give you 5 star in your profile. So once you start learning through us IBM subject matter expert, our main concern is not teaching you based on the theoretical part. You will be working with the real-time project case studies. That means if you've started with, let's say, machine learning, we'll tell you how machine learning is going to help you, how machine learning is actually in the market. Next, once you have understood the concept of machine learning, we start giving you the industry real-time projects so that you can clean your hand on those projects. So these are the benefits, and I would be just showing you the badges. Like these types of badges you would be getting once you start learning the program, the course from IBM. So these badges, you can see that these can directly connected with your social media, like either LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. You may even see the certificates. I'll show you the certificate which you will be getting through us. This is the certificate. This is a sample certificate which you will be getting once you complete the program. Right now, as I said, that these certifications are globally valid, which can be uploaded over any of the social media. So here you can see that there is a portal called it as Acclaim. It was earlier known as Acclaim, but now it is known as Credly. So once you complete the program, you will get the certification. The certification will be directly connected with this specific platform called as Credly. When you click on these badges, you will be able to again download the certificate through this. But the good part of this particular Credly, this is a repository of like multinational companies having a tie-up with this Credly portal, wherein they can search you like how many certification you completed after your program. Now you can even check like how many vacancies are available on the specific portal, like you have completed AI in ML. So you can see that how many vacancies are left for data scientists. Either you may say that cloud architect or analyst, business intelligence analyst. So you can see that I have taken a snippet of how you would get the international opportunity through the Credly portal. So these are the benefits you will be getting through us. Now, when it comes to like if you're learning AI and ML through us, what will be the job profile? So definitely there are more and more opportunities over these companies like Deloitte, IBM, Mission Hospital, different multiple organization which is having a vacancy of this specific program which you are going to learn through us. Now, when it comes to the exit role, yes, so there is multiple job profiles available. It could be artificial intelligence analyst, data visualization engineers, artificial intelligence engineer, software developer, data analyst, machine learning engineer, big data analyst, data scientist, predictive analyst. So when we provide you the course in each and every semester, at the end, you will be able to apply for these specific roles in the organization. And I would like to show you one more thing, that is the subjects which we are offering you in the entire semester. So these are the subjects. It could be data science, business intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and not only this, big data analytics, but The good part is, as I said, that you would be working on IBM tool and the platform. Those IBM tools and platforms are premium and paid. That means you will be able to work with those paid softwares. And once you complete the program, once you complete the course, you may mention those platforms, those softwares into your resume that you have worked with IBM. Watson sir has already mentioned in the session that it's a Watson machine. It's an AI machine. So you would be working on Watson machine, IBM Cognos, SPSS Modeler. So these are the IBM premium softwares you would be working in the entire MCA program as well as in the BCA program. So anything else? I hope the benefits are clear to everybody.
Yes, thanks, ma'am. So it was a wonderful delight for discussion on humanoid robots, precision farming, crop monitoring and management, autonomous, credit-based learning with IBM collaboration, and from ma'am's side, some jobs in IBM and what will be the designations. No, now I would request to admission nominee Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi to be on the screen. Over to you, sir.
You're on mute, sir. We are unable to hear you.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning, ma'am. Good morning, and good morning all. Very enlightened things has been discussed by Professor Ashok Kumar sir, HOS Computer Applications Department, and Kashbu ma'am. Further, I want to add over here is that we have different, you can say, programs under the computer applications. Like we have BSCIT, BCA, we have tie-ups programs, as sir I have already been told that we have master's level programs in computer applications like MCA, MSc, IT. So in all these programs, we have, you can say, like credit international credit transfer program. We also have that is 2+2 international credit transfer. That means a student can study 2 years at LPU and then further 2 years at Australia or Australian University or in Canadian University. Can pursue his computer applications in further specializations like cybersecurity and like artificial intelligence. So many, you can say, we have specializations over here. Further, if I going to add over here, like in Canada in 2+2, in this university, Trent University, we have. So if I am going to show you, I'm going to share my screen so that I can tell you how you can search the things with our website. I hope screen is visible.
Screen is
Loading, ma'am. It's
yes,
loading.
loading. Yeah. Yes, screen is visible. Over to you.
All right, ma'am. So if you can see over here, this is a website over here, lpu.in. You can first go to the website and then go to the admissions, and then you can search the way. It's up to you what you want to search. Like if you go with the honors program, work integrated programs, industry collaborative programs, international credit transfer programs, honors program, it's up to you. If you suppose, I am going to show you how you can search the things over here. Like suppose you want to go with this BCA program, that go to the after 12th and then search for the regular program, and then can see that there is a qualification 12th class discipline. Which discipline are you interested in? So accordingly you can click over here. Like suppose you are interested in you can say computer engineering or artificial intelligence or computer applications and IT. So you click over computer applications and IT, and then all the programs under computer application you can see over here. So very first you can say BCA artificial intelligence and machine learning program. You can see BCA BSc IT program, and then industry collaborative programs. You can easily get the details over here. Like I have already been said, 2+2 international credit transfer program. It's all been you can get the information for this particular program over here. Like suppose if I want to click over here, BCA artificial intelligence and machine learning, just we need to click over here, and then the home page will open. And over here, very simple and you can say straightforward information we provide over here regarding every discipline, every program over here. Like very first, the name of the program you get to know over here, BCA Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and then the eligibility criteria over here you can get to know, and then all the information like this from the you can say program fees, and then we offer the scholarship based upon your 12th class marks, and based upon we have conducting one test that is LPU nest. This test is being you can say conducting all over the India, national wide it is a test, and it is a center based test. It is up to you, or you want to give the remotely proctor, means from the home you can give the test. If you have all the infrastructures available at your home, then it's up to you. Otherwise, you can choose the test-based center. And then based upon the performance of your test and based upon the performance of your 12th class previous qualification marks, and you get the scholarship benefit. And as you can see, the scholarship categories, that's we divide it into the category 1 scholarship, category 2 scholarship, and category 3 scholarship. And it has been 30%, 25%, 20%. It is basically we are going to give the scholarship amount as per this. If you suppose any candidate got category 1 scholarship, that means 30% scholarship he is going to get. That means he is not going to pay 1 lakh fee per semester. Now its fee will be 70,000 rupees per semester. So as per the performance and as per the this you can say performance in the LPNest, because LPNest is mandatory in this a particular program. If I going to say that is LPNest, it is being mentioned over here. So without qualifying LPNest, it is not being, you can say, not being eligible for this particular program. Or you go for the CUET. If you go with the CUET, then you need to qualify CUET, or either you qualify LPNest. And further, in the 12th class, you should have studied English as a subject, and you should have got 60% minimum marks in the 12th class. So if you qualify this eligibility criteria, further the scholarship availables we have. And further, if you have if you want to get to know the details of this how can I apply, or what is the last day to apply this you can say exam, and what is the last day to get the admission. So all the things is easy you can get to know over the website. And further, if I go to show you how to get to know the various approvals, accreditations, I'm going to share my screen. Just give me a second. I think sharing is stuff. I'm not
Dr. Loveleen, there
able
is
to
some.
add. Yes, ma'am. I'm not able to add my PPT. Yes, that's the reason. Just give me 1 minute.
No problem. Take your time.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, I got it.
Yes.
I hope PPT is available.
Yes, PPT is available now.
Right, right.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Continue.
So, if I'm going to discuss about the accreditations and approvals in LPU, then we have got the highest NAC score, that is the in the amongst all the state and private universities, that is NAC A++, and further we got 3.68 score on the scale of 4. And we have accreditations like NAC accreditation, I have already been discussed. We have ACBSP accreditation for the business school, and we have UGC approved university. And then approval, we have NCTE approval. We have NCTE basically for those programs which is being, you can say, linked with the education programs. And we have Pharmacy Council of India approval. We have Council of Architecture, Bar Council of India, and this is Bar Council of India is required for the further practice in the court. And then we have ITPI, that is for the planners, those candidates who are interested for the B planning or M planning. Then this type of is being they are looking for. And then we have Indian Association of Physiotherapists. Then we have the All India Council for Technical Education. We have members of lot of many reputed, you can say, associations over here, you can see. And further, we have rankings. If I talk about the rankings, then we have the second rank, you can say, in the first attempt, and global brand we have. And LPU again is for the third rank in the case of this university and deemed university, that is self-financed under this private or technical. And we have in the Olympic Games, our student, our alumni have got this bronze, gold, silver, bronze medal in the Olympics. And out of this 13 students participated in the Olympics, 12 students got this Olympic medals. And further, we have Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy, Sports Trophy 2023. Our LPU team is first runner-up, and it has been since 1956. It's the first time we got this. Any private university is going to have this runner-up trophy. And we have conducted over here 106th Indian Science Congress, and it's been inaugurated by Honorable PM of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And we have in the LPU a lot of many, you can say, renowned personalities have been generally visited over here and give their insight about their this is the visitors profile. So a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of this sports environment we have in the campus. This is the computer lab. This is the library in the LPU. That library, this is basically a uni mall. Over this, you can have the basic necessities. So you can visit over here. Gym in the uni mall. So we also have the hospital in the campus inside, and where the different, you can say, doctors are being available. So this is the university, and we have the indoor sports stadium also, where badminton, we have shooting, basketball, swimming, and squash, like this. All this is basically a indoor sports stadium. And if I go with this, all the things you can also get from the website also. And how you can get from the website, I'll show you. Now, over here, if you see, yes, the admissions over here, then from here, from this, you go to the about, and the about, the rankings are there. If you click on the rankings, you get to know all the things. And when you click over there, then suppose I'm going to click on the NIRF ranking, that is in National Institutional Ranking Framework. And if I click over here, then you can get to know. So over here, you get to know it is the government, you can say, a Ministry of Education and by Government of India. So these are the various rankings we have. In law, we stood 16th, and pharmacy, we all over India, from the government and private universities, we got we stood 17th rank in pharmacy. And in the agriculture and allied sector all over India, from the government and private sectors, we got 27th rank. And likewise, we have in management. So you can see. And further, if you want to know other rankings, over here you can see. Just click over there, and then you get to know. And if you want to know about this residential facilities in the LPU, you need to again go to the admissions and then click on the residential facilities, and then you get to know the residential facilities over here in the LPU. You just scroll down and you get all the information regarding the residential facilities. So this way you can easily check the things. And another way you can go to check it out our website through 360-degree virtual tour. Over here you can see like at this LP unit your town. Just give me a second, I'll check. Okay. So here these are the buttons like this. If you want a call from us, then you need to schedule a call. You just click over there and then you put the details. If you want to connect with us through WhatsApp, then this number is being there. And if you want to, if any doubt regarding, suppose you have a doubt regarding computer applications or artificial intelligence, then you can click over there, live video counseling, and then you get the Zoom link over there. And as per your timings, you get to know the things. You will discuss with the expert faculty member. And then LPU in your town, if you click this, you get to know which office is available in your town, which LPU office is like this way. Suppose I click over here, LPU in your town. You need to click select state. Like if I go to the New Delhi, then this is our office in New Delhi along with the contact number. And it's been working morning to evening 5 p.m. So this is how you get all the information from the one click, like this. How you reach the campus, how you get to from the train timings over here, all the things you can get to know over here. So if any doubt you have, I'll happy to answer your queries.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. As I can see here, there are some questions from our participants. Thanks for giving me chance to address your questions. Now, let's start with the question number one. Question number one is, what type of projects are required to be handled by the students? Are they live? This is for Dr. Ashok.
Ma'am, pardon, ma'am, due to network connectivity, I was not able to hear the question.
Let me
Please
ask
repeat
again.
it.
What type of projects are required to be handled by the students? Are they live?
Okay. So basically, we prefer to give live projects to the students. We give them a problem, some students are given the problem on automatic irrigation of the fields. So what they do is, as I have already discussed in my slide, through the IoT sensors, students sense the moisture level of the soil and some other parameter like temperature, humidity, extra. And based on that, an automatic system can be built, or students are advised to build an automatic system so that the field can be irrigated on time. So these kind of projects are given to the students. I have given one example to you. That is the project that was developed by our current term student. So likewise, we give some other real life applications to, some of our students are given web mobile app development based project. Even if we get some project from the industry also, and if the we ask the industry to pay us some amount, those are called consultancy projects. So if the student work on a consultancy project, the whole amount of that is given to the student.
Thank you, sir. The second question is for Ms. Khushbu. What level of projects or skills are expected from the students by the industry?
Okay. When it comes for learning initially, because you will be starting up your career learning MCA, or either you would be enrolling for BCA program. So our expectation, because you would be a fresher for us, so we would be guiding you in such a way that we'll start with scratch, and we'll guide you in such a way, once you'll be reaching to the final semester, you would be having a good hands-on related to premium softwares, plus you would be able to solve the real-time challenges. So definitely, initially we do not have an expectations like the higher expectations, but yes, still we will guide you in such a way that you would be, you can create yourself in such a way that you would be able to solve the industry challenge or industry problem once it will be in front of you, or the requirement based on the client. So, like sir has told you that these are the projects has been the student has worked on it. So same way we would be giving you some real time case studies. So it could be a group, it could be a single child or a student can work on to those projects, and based on that they can have those step by step process so that they can have a clear picture.
Thank you, ma'am. Next question is also for Khushbu, ma'am.
Mhm.
What are your valuable inputs for additional courses or certification for students to meet the industry 5.0 expectations?
Okay, so when it comes for the expectations, again, as I said that those students will be fresher for us. So, like how we are going to start is, you will be starting from first semester. So we will be training you or teaching you those subjects, those technologies which are into the current era. Like as sir said that you would be working with AI platforms. So the subjects would be business intelligence, the subject would be SPSS modeler using predictive analytics. So how prediction taking place is not only with the coding, but with the softwares, the platforms. So yes, you will be meeting up the 5.0. We know that we are more and more eligible, and we will be meeting up the expectation once we have those add-ons like the premium softwares, or learning not only the scratch things, but yes, we should meet up the level or the advanced part which is required by the industry, so that you'll get good jobs, good opportunity at the time of recruitment. So not only teaching you the AI, not only teaching you the ML related to Python, you will be working with IBM Watson, IBM SPSS Modeler, or IBM Cognos. So these softwares will be there. Plus, you will be working with open source software. That is the software which is available over the web pages, the portal, which are also has been taken by the industry for their work and for their to complete their targets or to complete their requirements.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope the participants got their answers. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to our esteemed experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your contribution have truly enriched our discussion and inspired us all. On the behalf of all mission, future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Thank you so much all. Have a nice day.